Hey guys, this is random, but this is an unboxing nonetheless, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And this is coming to us from Amazon, and I'm going to use the Wii Vision FG to get into it because I think it's going to be a box in a box. Bear with me, guys. Let me get this out of the way and come right back to you. All right. So what we've got here is not knife. It's not a knife, but it is, I don't know if I'd call it EDC related, but it's very cool. So what I want to do is say thank you, thank you, thank you to my channel members, and thank all of you guys for stopping by. Whoever's watching this video, and just to encourage you, if you're so inclined, to hit that subscribe button down below and that bell notification icon. It'll let you know when I upload new videos, and also really help the channel out. So what we've got here, I think about Tri-State when I look at this. The Bug Assault Shredder Starter Kit. So Cole was killing flies the other day, and or he's waiting to get his Bug Assault to kill flies. I forget what the status is. He got my brain thinking about this. And so these have been out of stock, the shredders, forever. So this is what we've got here, guys. This is CO2 operated. So we've got the Bug Assault Shredder, some salt cartridges, which I've already been on YouTube and on Etsy and eBay to see how you can reload these if you want to. This is Scale Inc., a killer company. This dude's a surfer, the guy who started this. Really cool story. If you want to screenshot it, power source CO2, trigger single action, caliber, ammunition, salt, 10 shots, 1.6 pounds, yada yada. So comes with the Bug Assault sticker. Comes with 5 CO2 cartridges. Comes with 2 packs of these little revolver rounds. Instructions. And our Bug Assault gun. So you guys will be happy to know that I will be doing an unboxing probably on Wednesday with a laser that I got for this motherfucker. So once I get it sighted in at about 3 feet, I'll have my laser on the front. They make a pretty dope holster for it, but I don't really think I'm going to need the holster yet. Let's see, how does this say this works? Chicka chicka chicka, barrel latch. You just basically break the barrel like that. Stick your salt cartridge, one of these guys in there. Close it up. And then you've got this little finger dally-hoo there. And I think you take off both sides of this. This is metal. The frame here is metal with the plastic barrel. And then you will put your CO2 cartridge in here, tighten it up till it punctures, puts the air out. That was me doing sound effects. And then once you've got it set up, I'm assuming you put the handle back over it like so. It's single or double action. I'm a single action guy. I've heard it's much more accurate than if you double pull it. I'm not into that. I'm going to be a single action fly killer. And this was kind of for bigger bugs like horseflies, wasps. It says it'll work on flies, but it doesn't leave much of a body to clean up. And I'm all about splattering some flies. So let's give you all a couple of gives you some basic aiming insights, how to load it up, blah, blah, blah. Guys, they also make an iPhone mount for this thing, but there are plenty of videos where you can go watch people shooting stuff in slow motion. But yeah, I'm thinking it's pretty cool. I'm looking forward to trying it out. The actual shotgun looked okay, but everything I read about it, I just didn't know how much power it had. So this one does have a safety. Um, don't know how that works. Don't really need it. Maybe it was on. No, it's not on. Again, safeties are no good. Push from the right for off safety. Push in from the left for on safety. Oh, there it is. Now it's on safety. But it's got a pretty traditional front sight right now. Keep in mind, I've got a laser coming for it, a bug assault laser, and look forward to trying this out and giving you guys maybe a review on it. Let me know in the comments if that'd be something y'all would be interested in, if you'd be interested in a review on the bug assault. They are back in stock on Amazon. I will leave a link down there where I got it. And guys, I appreciate it. Appreciate you checking it out. I apologize that it's not knife content, but I didn't want to make the title of the thumbnail misleading. So I think I said it's not any kind of knife content. But EDC for me, depending on what I'm after, that might be something that comes in handy. I'll let you know. I've got some little fruit flies that I'm going to lay waste to here, and I'll let you know how it goes. But guys, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart, unless you're after flies, and choose to bait, not hate. I love you all. Peace.